Hey traders, Mark here. Today is Thursday. Happy Thursday, gang. Guys, I want to start off by saying I couldn't be more excited about what's transpiring with this system right now. I haven't been this excited about trading since I finished a massive round of back testing years ago and knew that I would finally be on my way to consistent profit in the markets. What I'm going through now is getting really granular, meaning I'm really digging into the details. So yesterday I showed you this advanced decline chart as well as the up-down volume chart. And you can see today both of them were just very strong to the upside. However, the market was pretty flat. You can see the market. So even though the market was flat, and we had, let's see, here's the open. I mean, look how flat this market is, guys. Had one move here, and then another move. What I want to show you is, remember what I talked about yesterday. When price comes into one of these zones on the advanced decline or the up-down volume, this is the only time today that happened. And I want to show you what happened after. So here's your entry on the 5-minute right here. And blow this up a little bit. How I would enter this trade would be one tick above the high of this bar. My stop would be my ATR, which is 3. So I'd be risking 3 points, which is 12 ticks, to make 15. And price easily hit 15 points, which would be 67.23. And it did it in pretty short order. How exciting is this? I mean, you want to talk about picking and choosing your trades? This is it, gang. Even more exciting. Let's do a quick run through on the action from today using my system. So remember, the rules are I only have 2 trade types. I have a trade if both the color on the 5-minute and the 15-minute line up. Then I'd be looking for a trade into the same color on the tick chart here on the left. The other trade is if I have a zone like this on my higher time frames, either the 5 or the 15, and I get a fresh zone on this chart. So here this morning, I'm green on the 5-minute, red on the 15. So I have nothing to do here. Now I'm red and red. So I'd be looking for a short. Now I'm inside the zone on the 15, which means I can look for a fresh zone here. I don't get one. And I still don't have a red sell zone on the tick chart. Okay, still have nothing to do. Now I'm red and red again. Okay, here, what do we have here? So the high of the bar, or the line on the 15-minute, is, why isn't it showing? 81.50. Okay, so I'm not inside of that zone on my tick chart. So no trade there. Okay, what about this one? This one is clearly inside. So my entry would be right here, 81.75. And I'm going to use my ATR as a stop, which is 5 ticks. And I'm going to be going for 30. Wait. Hold on. My math on that is not that simple. So 5 times 5.7. So I'm going to be going for 29 ticks. So about 7.25 points. Which would be, so 81.75 to 90. And there's your target. So there's target 1. So after I get a target, I have to have a reset, which is a fresh red zone and a close below my most recent green zone, wherever that is. Let me just double check something here. Yeah, unfortunately, I couldn't take this trade because I didn't have my reset yet. But I was green and green here, otherwise it'd been a good trade. Okay, so nothing to do. Hold on one second, guys. There, I broke a green zone right there, actually. I knew I broke a green zone in there somewhere. It was right there. So now I could look for another trade. Let's see if I missed one. $62.5. That's not within 2 ticks. So I didn't miss a trade there. I'm red and red. Nothing to do there. Here we go. So I would have had a trade right here because I'm red. I'm green and green. That's within 2 ticks. So I'll be enter here at 15.25 with a 4-tick stop. 22-tick target. Get stopped out here. Re-enter here. And target. And this is also the time where I came into my advanced decline volume zone. So that's 2 trades. I'm sorry, 3 trades. 1 loser, 2 winners. So let's put that into the spreadsheet. So there it is, guys. So far this week, a 53% return after commission and slippage. 170% return so far since the beginning in November. 11 weeks. Guys, so far this year, 58% return on the year. That's more than most of you are going to make all year, and this is only the 2nd week of trading. Let me save that. Okay. I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to go look for some Forex trades and see what we have. I'll be right back. Alright, gang, want to go over some Forex stuff real quick here. So I have a potential trade on the Euro Aussie. I have a situation where I have a zone inside of a zone here, both on the daily and the weekly. So I would have a limit order to get long right here at 51.77. Okay? I'm going to risk an ATR and go for a 5 ATR. Okay, so that's the Euro Aussie. Now, last night I talked about the Euro. No, I didn't talk about the Euro Pound. I talked about the Euro Dollar. We'll get to Euro Dollar. The Euro Pound had a nice trade overnight here at about 5 o'clock my time. I have a zone inside the weekly zone right here. Your ATR was 7, so you made your 5 ATR. Nice little trade there. The Euro Dollar, I mentioned in the video last night. Look at this, gang. It came right into that level. However, it was 45 minutes after midnight, which means I actually wouldn't have taken it. But ended up being a really great trade. So that's kind of a shame how that one played out, but so goes trading. And then there were a couple others that actually set up overnight. Let's see, Swiss yen was a loser. On this one, I would have been long right here. And you can see it's trading directly into a sell zone. But I'm also in a buy zone, so this is a tough one, right? But I'm also trading right into the 10-period moving average on the daily. There's a lot of things against this one. And then the pound dollar. I would have been short here in the zone inside the zone. And again, I'm trading right into the 10-period on both the daily and the weekly. Okay, let me just make sure that there's nothing else here. Alright, gang, that is it. So the only thing I'm looking for right now would be the Euro Aussie. Other than that, great day trading. Guys, my programmer hit me up today and he said he has another iteration done. So I'm going to go check that code, see what it looks like, and I'll keep you all posted. Alright, have a great rest of your day.